Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dakal, and in this video I'll show you how to create an IQ option account in a step-by-step process. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like this video, and if you have any questions please put the comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So let's get started. I have given the link in the description for the official site of IQ option. If you click on that, you will reach to this interface, and once you see this interface, after clicking the link below, you can simply put your email address at here, and then you can make a password that you can remember. And just click on I agree the terms and condition and click on try now. Now let's wait for some time. Now you can click on save. It will remember your ID and password. And if you are you can click on this and download the app of the IQ option directly. Now let's wait for some time. Okay, now if you click on here, you will be moved to practice account of IQ option. If you click on here, you will move to top of the account. So for now we will click on here on practice account, and you will see this kind of interface. You can simply click on here and you can go to your real account here and deposit from here, or you can make some trade from here. Okay, now at the time you may have got an email from IQ option in your email address that you have used to sign up to IQ option. Simply click on that and click on confirm email. Now let's wait for some time. Now you will see this kind of interface. Okay, activation was successful. Now you click on here and you click on personal data. You can click on got it here. It is about cookies. Now you can upload your photos here. You can add your phone number and verify it. Your email is already verified. And you can also manage the notification setting, how frequently you want to get notification about these things. Similarly, you can click on account setting and you can make a fake name for your ID also. You can decide the name that will appear in your IQ option account by just clicking on refresh at here. Okay, it is like a nickname, and you can reset everything. Here you can see if you have any problem using our trading platform, please try to reset your setting. You can reset your setting. You can download your data. You can click on here and close your account also, or you can completely delete your personal information. You can read these things, and you can click on payment methods, and you can link your cards from here. You can click on here and you can confirm your phone number by entering it here. You can change your password. So okay, this terminate all other sessions means you may have logged in from other your relatives laptop or computer or mobile phone. You can terminate all those sessions by clicking on here. So once you do this much, you can simply click again at here and click on verification. Let's wait for some time. And now you can enter your phone number here and click on get a code, and you will receive 5 to 6 digit code, and you can enter that code and your phone will be verified from here. And then again you need to fill your personal data at here. Similarly, you can download the app of the IQ option. You can also search for that in, or you can click on trade now, and you can click on download app. If you click on this, then this will be downloaded and you will see the app on your desktop. You can do that too. And one important thing that you need to know is you need to verify your IQ option account by submitting your identification document. Okay, and I think maybe if they ask you about the bank statement to verify your address or utility bill, you need to submit those things. Now you don't need to follow any complicated process. I'll show you a simple process that you can follow. You can simply firstly download the IQ option app, and then you can see IQ option app will be like this. And what you can do is you can simply come here, click on more and click on help, and then you can click on ask a question, and you can scroll down below till the end and click on ask a new question, and the support chat will be available, and you can simply ask them how to verify my document so that I don't face any problem while depositing and withdrawing my funds. You can simply type on this and send to the support of the IQ option, and they will reply you with an email address where you can simply send your identification document that are like passport or driving license or maybe citizenship, and they may also ask you for address verification. For that you can send them utility bill or your recent bank statement. You can send them, and you after that your account will be fully verified and you can start trading and depositing and withdrawing fund easily in IQ option. Depositing fund is no any problem, but while withdrawing, if you haven't verified your account, then you may face some problem, because at that time they will ask you for the verification document. So it is good to verify it in early stage. So this much for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.